Welcome back, guys. CryptoFly channel. Today we'd like to talk about Monero targets updates with my customer Chris. So let's dive in. First of all, guys, congrats everybody who hopped into Monero after Binance delisting. This was one of not so many cases when the token pumped after Binance delisting. I mark this potential global channel for XMR around 2022, and unfortunately, it looks like it's legit, right? Why? Unfortunately, because now we reject exactly at equilibrium. And if the altcoin season will not happen, and if this cycle is not extended in time, guys, we can drop to the support line again, to the buy line of take profit indicator and to the support line of this channel. And it's hard to say about the timing, but it can be, for example, the, let's say, spring 2027 or summer 2027. It can be around like $128 or $170, and it's kind of weird because if the altcoin season will not happen, everybody is wrecked because let's be real, 90% people now in altcoins, and that people who invested in a BTC, they probably will take profit and not reinvest the money in the else. That's it. So this is a global chart since Monero exists, May 2014. This was the top, drop, touch, COVID dump, touch, the top, and now we passed the equilibrium over the 61 level fee, not touch the block watermark like fixation the profit. So we talk about a potential all-time high. For Monero, it could be like, I don't know, if this cycle once again extended time, it can be like 590. It's possible to see, still possible to see. But in this case, we need to see some correction on gold. The money from gold should reinflow into BTC, from BTC into Ethereum, and from Ethereum to other altcoins. In this case, yes, the new all-time high is possible, like 1, 2, 3 drives pattern, a global one, yearly December 17, April 2021, and it can be like, I don't know, May 2026, for example. But even in this case, if you want to invest in Monero, you can just expect less than 100%. So just in case, it's my thoughts. If you believe in crazy targets for Monero, and if we should out of this channel, it can be like 731. Why exactly this fee? Because we use the top, support, consolidation, 27 block, 2 times touch it, AQL lows, and go higher. On this correction, I can't say the Monero dump it so hard. You know, it's good. At least it's good. So we dump it from 344. Exactly at equilibrium and 0.5 level by fee. It's kind of interesting also. So it's giving me the confidence. So this channel is relevant. I'm not a fan of the channels. I'm not a fan of the trend lines. But if we identify the channel correct and we can see the confirmations, so we can work with. So it was a dump 345 to 268 and bounce immediately. Now we drop it down again. So the next support line for Monero, if we will continue to drop it down, is 253, this one. Buy line for Monero is 192. I don't think so. We will drop to the buy line now on a daily. I think we can drop to 253 by end of October and go higher to take profit line 385, exit line 433, and this block what I marked it before. Of course, I can be wrong, you know, and only the time will show us, but at least you have to build a plan. What is good now, on 12th frame, the lines start curve up. So it was a drop in September drop by lines right here. Bounce to 0.5. Donald Trump announcement about the China tariffs. So it would be good to see that 253, 23 elbow fee and continuation. Now the 397, it's take profit line on 12 time frame, exit line, it's 449. How to work with this indicator and how to work with indicator set, I highly recommend you go and check the pinned message in the free Telegram channel. So this is a weekly time frame, guys. We trade over then traded over the exit line, so it was of course time to fix a profit if you accumulate it in 27 block. Buy line on to weekly time frame, now it's 140. Monthly time frame, guys, this is kind of scary also, because we perfectly test above the exit line now 236, and the buy line, guys, it's exactly the test of the channel support. It's 105 till, I don't know, till let's say August, June 26. The buy line can be exactly once again here and at 116, for example. If this cycle ended, we can't know now. We will talk only after the facts in the summer 26. It was a top of the cycle or not. At this current moment, we can't know. That's why we have to build a plan and base it on the current moment. I don't think so. This was the end of cycle for the alts, made 75, especially for the Monero. That's why I think we can go hit a new all-time high. But it's like $600 my take for Monero, and it's less than 100% profit. That's why, guys, build realistic targets for your investment and Monero if you want to invest in it. ADZ I can show you because it's a global ticker. It's not from some exchange. Direction, no signal to sell on the monthly. Weekly, what we can see here, the last fixation was here in May 5. So you could fix step by step. Now no signal to buy or sell. One and only the last one's signal to buy was here in after the COVID dump. Now nothing. It's kind of weird, you know. Daily here, time to fix profit wasn't made. 5 buyback in August. Now nothing. So it's not a bullish, not bearish, guys. Sometimes we don't see clear signals, you know. That's why if you not see the signals for your trading strategy, you know, or like I do, I collect all reasons, you know. I like mark split on list, like reasons bullish, reasons bearish. The more reasons bullish I'm buying the token, the more reasons bearish I'm skip. Or if not enough the bullish reasons to buy. Of course, if I get an interest in the token, I don't have any interest in Monero now. Of course, I'm not even the fan of the privacy token, so Horizon now pump it. I don't know why. Even on that dumps, Horizon pump it, and Zcash pump it. So this is now not like a free. The day free was here in May 25. Now nothing, like a optimism, right? So we can add alert, for example, to disbelief. Markets mood. This one I would like to see the disbelief. We will see. Disbelief, I mean, is going to be the blue color on the market mode indicator on the weekly. I'm not sure we will see that targets, but we will see. Weekly time frame about money inflow. The last money inflow was here in December 21 at around 179 price. Maybe the whales accumulate some position here and out here. 418. Now nothing. Also, we just trade over the middle line, but no bullish signals, guys, on the weekly. Daily, we dump it. We need to see some accumulation on the daily. So my conclusion for Monero, if this cycle extended in time, at this current moment, we can't know. So if somebody show you some idea and 100%, you know, sure, so we will go to the moon, don't trust these guys, because nobody knows the future. We just can build a theory and build a personal plan. So my plan for Monero, I guess, yes, we will see the new all-time high, but the timing is hard to say. This year, next year, guys, it's hard to say. So now I don't see any reason to hop in all in the Monero, because we got a lot of risky signals on the chart, especially on the weekly time frame or in the monthly time frame. So maybe this cycle is over, even for the alts. Who knows? Now, no signal for accumulation. So last signal for accumulation was in August 25 at $2.32, $2.39. Now nothing. It's kind of weird also. Monthly time frame, guys, we at the top, but without money outflow. Bullish. We need to see something like this one. Fixation 1, 2, 3 months fixation. After that, they put the bubble. Here, May 21, it was the MACD bearish divergence drop and the bear market. Money in was in April 24. Now, what is good? The one bullish reason, and no money in outflow. It's bullish. Trade on, sell, buy back, sell. Was so obvious to sell in June. Here is also May 75 sell. No signal to buy, even the buyback. It's bearish. Daily, let me show you the daily. Daily was signal to buy here. August. Here's August buy, sell. No take profit. No take profit. And the take profit indicator, guys, I showed you. Once again, remind you, the buy line is 193.30. Guys, my conclusion is for the Monero, we will see the new all-time high, I think in 2026, not now. If not, we all wrecked and we go into the bear market from now. Guys, I hope you like this video. Write please in the comment what you think about Monero. If you like to trade with my customer, what I showed in this video, write me a DM. Don't forget to join my Telegram channel. See you next time, guys.